In this video, I'll show you how to build a music light skill in Openclaw. When you input play music, the AI instantly triggers the skill, transforming your Home Assistant setup into a dynamic volume visualizer with fluid, real-time streaming light effects. First up, let's handle the hardware. The setup is dead simple. An ESP32S3 board, a WS2812 LED strip with 60 pixels, and a breadboard. The ESP32's 5-volt and ground pins go to the breadboard's power rails. The strip's positive and negative wires connect to those same rails, and the data line hooks into GPIO 8. With the wiring done, we move to ESPHome to flash the firmware. Click New Device, name it WS2812, and select the ESP32S3 as your device type. Now hit Edit and clear out the default configuration. I'm just going to paste in my prepared code. Let's break down the key parts. Under Wi-Fi, we set the credentials so the board connects to our network. Specifically, it needs to be on the same network as your Home Assistant system. The main task happens in the light component. Here, instead of creating one giant light entity, we're using the partition platform to define each of the 60 LEDs as an independent light, LED 1, LED 2, and so on, each with its own segment. This gives us the granular control we need. After saving the configuration, I recommend hitting Validate to check for any errors. If it says configuration is valid, you're good to go. Click Install, choose your flashing method, I'm using the third option here, and select the correct serial port for your board. At this point, if you go into Home Assistant's Settings, Devices and Services, the new LED strip will be auto-discovered. Click Add to bring it in. You'll now see 60 individual light entities. To prepare for our skill, go into the settings for one of the LEDs and copy its entity ID. We'll need this naming pattern later. Now for the AI part. After several rounds of conversation with Openclaw, it generated the skill exactly as I wanted it. It created a new directory named Music Light Show with a skill.md file and a scripts folder containing our Music Light Show Python script. The skill.md file is the AI's manual. It's composed of two parts: the front matter, which defines the skill's name and description for the system, and the markdown body, which tells the AI to execute our Python script when it hears the trigger phrase, play music. The core logic is in the Music Light Show Python script. The configuration section at the top is where you'll need to make your edits. Set your HA URL, your HA token, the num LEDs, which is 60 for us, and the entity prefix you copied from Home Assistant. This script is what captures your system audio, calculates the volume in real time, and sends a rapid stream of commands to turn each LED on or off individually. Here's a step that's easy to miss. To capture system audio directly, our script needs a tool called PulseAudio. We need to install it by running a simple apt-get command. This gives our Python script the ears it needs to listen to your computer's audio output directly. With all the pieces in place, let's run the final test. I'll type play music into the Openclaw chat and start a song. Instantly, the skill triggers. As the volume increases, the LEDs stream upward in a fluid motion. When the music softens, the lights recede. You're now seeing a direct, real-time visualization of your system sound. By the way, I've bundled everything from this build into a guide for you. You can find that link waiting in the description. I'm always looking for new ideas, so share what you'd like to build together in the comments. Every like and subscribe truly helps the channel expand. Thanks for watching.